I know, but yeah, but we said that twice. We need to get round the...
Nige,
Oh.
I've got a minute to answer a question for the website.
Yeah, okay. All right, let's go. A professional and good quality video production company will use a range of high quality equipment to capture and produce the very best videos. Specific kit varies massively depending on the type of video that's being produced and the kit the video production company has chosen to purchase or lease. Some of the most commonly used tools of the trade are a camera. A professional videographer will typically use a high-end camera like this one. This is a Sony FX6. It's capable of fantastically sharp images, super quick autofocus, high quality slow motion, and it's approved for use by Netflix, BBC, companies like that. Before you commission a video, ask what kit they'll be using. Then the lenses that go on the camera, the next thing, they again vary massively. Telephoto, macro, they are incredible at that shallow depth of field that makes things look cinematic, keeping the foreground sharp and the background blurry. Then you've got the tripod or sticks. A stable base is incredibly important, as I'm sure you know, unless you don't want it to be, unless you want it to look a bit handheld. Ours are all carbon fibre, so they can be moved around easily and have spikes if we're in fields. Next, it's lights and mics. Having really nice, big, soft lights give it a real professional look. You need to make sure people aren't just bringing in tiny little LEDs that make your face look shiny and don't give a good overall effect. And it needs to look realistic, and it needs to be well composed and exposed. And mics, obviously there's a huge range out there. You can buy them on the internet for hardly anything, but they do vary in quality, and you can get little lapel mics. We use lapel mics for most of our interviews, but we also have rifle mics and boom arms that go over if we're doing like something that's a bit higher end, or if we are needing to move people through and interview lots of people, then we don't want to put lapel mics on them, then we'll use a boom arm with a rifle mic. Okay, I hope that helps. That's basically all the kit you need.